Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Ashton in Dallas, Texas. I'm actually out on the patio and I'm just kind of peeking and looking we already looked at the living room and kitchen here at the Ashton. Really, really pretty. But now I just want to talk a little bit about the area. Well, the location of the Ashton is pretty amazing. It's right here in Uptown. I call it the Crescent part of Uptown, and it's called the Crescent because, hey, there's the Crescent. The Crescent Hotel is a longtime fixture of Uptown. It's just gorgeous. There's shops and restaurants that are there, so you can just walk right across the street and go to those. But you're also right next to, you've got some great uptown views that are available all around. You feel the energy of the city because you've got some great views. And then you're also right next to downtown Dallas, which is it's just right around the corner, and like 3 minutes away you're in downtown Dallas or so, just 3 or 4 minutes max, and you just go there. You're also not far from the airport, by the way, about maybe 30 minutes or so from the airport here. And then you're also close to Victory Park, American Airlines, Dallas Mavericks, Dallas Stars. There's really so much to do. This is, to me, probably the top two places to be in town if you're a young professional or professional in general. That's a little bit about the area. Now let's walk inside and we're going to see the bedroom and the bath. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below, and I look forward to hearing from you. But now we're going to go check out that bedroom. Let's go do that right now.